starting off Tuesday with, well, I've got a lot of things on today actually, but I am starting off with my LVL appointment, hence why my eyes are looking quite tired. Yeah, I'm going to get my eyelashes permed again with LVL treatment. Very excited about it. I'm looking forward to being nice and curly again. Oh well, sorry guys, I didn't vlog at all today. It's just been a busy day. I've had quite a few things on. One thing I did do was I got my eyelashes LVL'd, which are looking amazing now. I had a meeting with All Saints, I had a meeting with Dior, and I had a meeting at Gleam as well, so it's been a bit of a busy day. And then me and Alex just watched the new episode of Westworld. I don't know what is going on, new season, and we've had a Wagamama's. So it's been actually a really productive day. I've just not had any time to check in, so really sorry. Really sorry. But I will try and do more tomorrow. Morning guys! I've got a brand new camera. Can you tell the quality difference?
Probably not.
But at least it might not have little spots of like speckled dust on it now at least. Yeah. I am just working quickly on my new glamour column. So I write every 2 weeks for Glamour. This one is about summer dressing, so I'm just coming up with some gorgeous like, outfit ideas for summer. So I'm doing that now, hence why I'm still in my pyjamas, because I wanted to get this done and then move on to filming. I'm going to be filming some lovely videos today. I really want to finally film, a new style remix, like the one I did in January. It's now April. I did one in January, style remix, loved it. You guys seem to really enjoy it. I just haven't had time to film one since, because it just takes a bit of time putting all the stuff together, getting my room set up. I've just not had the time, which is really crap. So I'm gonna film one today. So as soon as I get this finished, I'm gonna move on to that. And then me and Alex are going out tonight for a little bit of, we're gonna go to Selfridges and have a little shop. And then we're gonna go out for some dinner, I think. So I'm really looking forward to that. Right, makeup on. I am planning for my style remix. I need to do some ironing. I've got lots of really nice, a lot of white t-shirts I'm a bit obsessed with, and they've all just come out the wash, so they're just not looking great. So I'm gonna iron them. I'm still in my these cute little pajamas. I think these are ASOS actually. It's been a busy day. I have filmed 2 videos, 2 new style videos, and I feel very accomplished now. I feel great. So we're going to go to the gym. I mean, it's 5 o'clock now, so it's a little bit late, but we're going to go to the gym, and then after that we're going to go to pharmacy for some food. What a great day. I feel like I've got lots done today, and I think you guys are going to really like these videos, because I feel very inspired now. I finished up our gym session. How was yours, babe?
Yeah, so-so.
Not good, what?
So-so. I just feel like I've got no energy at the moment. Do you know, you're kind of out of routine when you're so used to training a certain way, and then you get back and you just feel really weak, and I just need to be like on it and just be going all the time again.
Well, I felt pretty good. Even though I've not been in a while, and I felt okay. Quite enjoyed it. I did like 35 minutes of cardio, and I did a little bit of my favourite machine. What is it? That leg abductor?
Bending machine?
The one that you push outwards. Favourite machine. Did that, and then just did some stretches and some back kick things, really.
Saw you from across the gym. I was checking you out.
I know, I was checking you out too. Like I saw you, I could see you down in the window, and I was like, damn. Who's that hottie?
And then I turned around and it wasn't me, it was someone else.
Oh shit. We're just gonna go have a little date night now. We're I know it's a bit gross because we're like sweaty.
I don't care.
I mean, I feel okay now. But we're gonna go to pharmacy, our favourite vegan restaurant, get some yummy food. Do you know what I might have? The vegan mac and cheese. So good, isn't it? Yeah, we'll share the vegan mac and cheese. Although last time we shared it, I remember we said I wish we'd had one each, because it's so delicious. And
well, let's have one each then.
No, I don't want to have too much. It's a bit gluttonous, isn't it?
You say that now, but then you'll be happy to eat more of my portion later.
We've both ordered the same thing. We always order the same. This is a chef's green curry, which is absolutely delicious. We love this. We've just had mac and cheese with a little morsel here. It was so delicious. So delicious. OMG, this looks awesome. This is banana, peanut, butter pudding or something? With peanut ice cream.
Completely a waste of time.
No, it was not. We go to the gym so we can eat this stuff. Whoa, I look like a lion. Ooh, big hair. I just got myself ready. So it's Thursday, it's the day before I go to St. Lucia's. It's always like panic mode on these days because I'm always getting last minute clothes coming in that I've ordered. They're always on the way, then I'm like trying to pack, trying to do everything else, trying to get videos finished. So Alex is currently finishing off like 2 style videos from yesterday. We've got the vlog that's going up tonight. I'm going to a meeting. It's now literally the time I need to be leaving for the meeting, so better hurry up. I need some clothes on. Why am I going in here? I need some clothes on. Let me find some clothes. Maze. Okay. This looks kind of tidy at the moment though, which is nice. What to wear? I'm really like, oh, all my good clothes are now packed into my wardrobe, into my suitcase, so I might wear this little number, which used to be a favourite. Alex is back from his little prep run. Ready to start working. This is today's outfit. I'm very, very casual. My Chloe top, my Dolce & Gabbana jacket, girlfriend jeans, my Chanel boots, my Jimmy Choo bag. Right, better go. Okay, kicking off my first meeting of the day at the Walmsley. Very like Art Deco 1920s bar vibes. It's really nice and it's very busy. Very, very loud for a meeting. Okay, so I came into Selfridges. I had a voucher I needed to spend at Selfridges. So I had to spend a little bit of time in Chanel, Dior and the other shoe area just to see if there's anything I really, really wanted. And let's just say, this may have just happened. There were like 2 pairs of shoes I absolutely loved and I couldn't decide on them, but I've gone for a really cute pair of flats. In fact, I put it on my Insta stories and asked you guys to vote, and a few more people said the other shoes, but I was like, I think these would be a little bit more wearable for all of spring. So I love my new shoes. I'm so excited. Right, off home now. Hi guys, I'm home. I am warm. I got the tube home and everything. Because I was at Bond Street, so that'd be easy peasy. I thought I'd show you guys my new Chanel thing. Let me show you what I picked up. So I had a Selfridges voucher, and I'd also got another one that my brother got me for Christmas. So I had like a good decent chunk of money to put towards something, and I figured that I would buy something from like one of my favourite brands, seeing as it's like special, you know, when I can't buy it online. So I only really like to buy things in store when I can't get them online. So that means pretty much Chanel or Dior. And I looked in Dior because you know it's my fave, and I recently bought some Dior shoes. I wasn't overly sure on some of the other ones and was like, will I not wear these as much? So I went for these. I know, right? Flat shoes again. I mean, they've got like teeny bitty heel. But I saw them and was like, actually, I bet they're so cute on, and they are. They look really cute on. Like with, I mean, you know how often I wear jeans. Jeans, denim shorts are gonna look so cute because it just makes a more casual outfit look a little bit more elegant and tasteful. My cute little navy shorts, I've got any kind of dresses. So I got these. So cute, so cute. So they've got these in the boutique. I got these in the Selfridges. Just in Selfridges in London. In case you are wondering, but I'm sure they're kind of everywhere. And I'm sure they're probably, oh no, you can't buy Chanel online. Yeah, anyway, they're in the boutique. So happy. By the way, if you can hear clicking, it's because Alex is currently doing this.
You talking about me?
I'm talking about you. I'm just saying if you can hear clicking, it's because you're on that.
Winning games.
Every hour of the day.
Do
you like my new Chanellos? Look at the colour, how nice that colour is.
Very classic.
Aren't they? Aren't they so elegant?
Cool.
They're beautiful, aren't they?
How long you can keep that bit unscratched?
Well, it's patent, isn't it? So hopefully it'll be alright. Do you like them?
Yeah, they're cool.
Cute, aren't they?
Is that like egg? What would you say that is? Duck egg?
It's like, yeah, it's like a duck egg blue, isn't it? So pretty. So I'm going to keep them in here, and I'm going to pack them for our trip tomorrow to St. Lucia. Also, Susie's coming around later, so we need to maybe tidy up a little tiny bit because it'd be nice to see Suzie. And before that, I need to do some work, and then at 3, so in 2 hours, I need to go and I'm going getting another chemical peel with AlumierMd just before my holiday, just so I'm like nice and cleaned for my trip. Okay, I've done a little bit of work. I've been editing some vlogs. I've not had time now to take off my makeup. typical. Gonna go over to Harvey Nicks to see AlumierMd for my face. So this is a light salon in Harvey Nichols, and this is my cozy chair. I love this chair, it's so cozy. Right, so I'm gonna get sat here, and then obviously I need to have my makeup taken off, and then we can start the treatment. Okay, just finished up at Harvey Nicks for my chemical peel. I think it was called the Radiant 2010 Chemical Peel. And pretty much it's pretty much like a lunchtime peel. The idea is that you can get this done on your lunch break, there's no downtime, it's perfect for like brides, especially on like their wedding day. They can just get this full peel and then your skin will look amazing at the top. So it's so good as well if you just want to like nip it on your lunchtime. So my skin now looks so glowy. It's something like 20% lactic acid, 10% salicylic acid, so it's called the Radiant 2010. Okay, so I just got back and some insane deliveries have just arrived. A brand new Ted Baker suitcase for the new season, because as you know I go through these so fast. I love them. I've had the biggest, most amazing Dior samples arrive. This book tote is so amazing.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
This bag. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this pink one. I've got some beautiful jewellery and this cruise collection hat.
Nuts colour that, isn't it? Well, I like the
suits you, babe.
Strap on it.
And also, how beautiful is this strap as well? And it's double-sided.
Yeah, they're cool.
Absolutely amazing.
Those are cool.
This dress is in, well, it's a play suit. It's a little mini play suit in the famous, beautiful mosaic prints. Oh my god, I'm so excited! We've had a lot of things come through. We've got some amazing clothes from All Saints for Alex. So I'm just getting things out to pack. So these are the things that I found the other day in Whistles that I need to pack, as you'll have seen in the vlog. And I got some amazing things from All Saints, some white jeans with some cool distressing on them. Ooh, these cute little shorts. This dress is absolutely beautiful. The colours in this, like beiges and blush pinks. Yeah, well, I'm really excited for this now. I've got some absolutely amazing things to take with me, to take some pictures of. I'm not looking my best right now, but at least I've got nice and bright and radiant skin. Yeah, Suzie should be on her way over, so I need to kind of get packing a little bit actually. We've just finished up some food. We got Leon, because I didn't know what else to buy. And Susie's here.
Hello.
So we've just had our Leon, and we've had lots of chats and lots of catch up. Suzie has a lot of gossip all the time. We've done this catching up for like the last few hours on Susie's gossip.
I've always got a story.
Yeah.
Always.
This is the first time Susie's been around. This is so nice. It's been so
I can't believe that. I swear you've been round once before.
Yeah, no.
No, I feel like
I've been here, but it's just from the vlogs. Like, isn't it weird when that happens?
It's like I feel like I've been to yours.
And you haven't.
No, I haven't. We're going to though. We're gonna come over. If you guys haven't seen Suzie already, it's right here. Make sure you go and subscribe to Suzie. Obviously, she'll be linked down below. Go and give her some love.
I didn't pay her to say that.
No.
Jokes. I contract all my friends into various different like heavy legal contracts and NDAs. Yeah.
NDAs. I love her. I love her. So you guys will love her too.